Right, here it goes. Let's enjoy this question. Here's a question, very nice question. It tries to hide from us, but we can uncover it. We are detectives now, mathematical ones, okay? There is no hiding. An oil company bores a hole 80 meters deep, blah, 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 okay? Estimate the cost of boring. If the cost is puller 30 for drilling the first meter, so the first value is 30, okay? With an increase in cost of puller 2 per meter for each succeeding meter. Is the increase multiplying by 2? No, we are just increasing by 2. For every meter which we are going to go, we are just increasing by 2. So we are increasing, we are saying plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 in cost. So here they want the, it says estimate the cost. Estimate the cost. They want the total cost. In other words, the sum, because the total cost is the sum when you add up all the increases. Okay, so we would say, let's say, what would we be saying here? Let's make this is an AP because we are increasing by 2 per meter. So it's just right. What are we increasing? The cost. What is for the first meter? What was it? 30. So we start at 30, right? Then we are starting to increase by 2 puller. Okay, for drilling the first with an increase in cost of 2 puller per meter for each succeeding. Okay, so for the next one, what would it be? 32. For the next one, we have increased, it will be 34. For the next one, it keeps going like that. Okay, we only need to put 3 dots. That's how this thing is going, isn't it? We can even put a 36 if you want, then put a comma, then say dot, dot, dot. Okay, so here we have our AP, right? The cost of the first meter is 30. Okay, and then what is D? We want to know D. D is going to be 32 minus 30, which is 2, right? Our D, since they've already said is 2 pullers, so our D is 2. Then now we can say we want the sum, but we need to know the number of terms, right? And how many meters are we going? 80. So we can say that the N we have here, it is 80. Okay, we are drilling for 80, so we want the sum of drilling 80 meters. Okay, for the first one they said it was 30. Then they said they didn't say the next one was 2 puller. They said for the next meter there was an increase from the other one of 2 puller. Okay, so it was now 32. Please make sure you know that. So the sum of 80 terms of this such thing, we say that, let's first put the sum. We say Sn is equal to n over 2 multiplying 2a plus n minus 1 d. If you don't know these formulas, I'm running away from you, okay? Because you are throwing away the whole thing. So SAT becomes here 80 over 2 multiplying 2 by a, which is 2 by 30, plus n minus 1. If this is 80, it'll be here 79, okay? 79, and what will it be? 79 by, what is my D? By 2, okay? So here I would have my S of 80 be equal to, what is 80 over 240? Multiplying 30 by 2 is 60 plus, you can say 79 times 2. Put that on your calculator. What are you going to get? 79 by 2, you would get 158. So now, once you have these two values, you don't have to punch again. Just punch to say 40 open bracket 60 plus 158 close bracket. And you say is equal to 60 plus 158 close is equal to, you get 8,720. 8,720. So you can say, therefore, cost of 80 meters is puller 8,720. Is that a lot? It's not too much, right? Realistic. Okay, that's it. You're done. See you in the next one. Goodbye.